Hey guys, my name is Nick and today I'm gonna show you the top 3 most common external parasites you can find on dogs. First up, we have fleas. The first few things we commonly see are intense scratching, open gooey red sores, black tiny flea dirt, which is really flea droppings left on your dog's skin, and fleas themselves. For every flea you find on your doggy, there are hundreds in the environment, so remember to not only treat your dog with a spot-on topical solution and oral anti-flea medication, but also clean out your doggy's bed and environment. In my opinion, flea wash shampoo and collar do not work very well. Treat both dogs and cats if you have them in the same household. Regularly check your dog for fleas by running your hands against the direction of fur growth. You'll see fleas running away from a hand if your doggy has an infestation. Run fleas, run, run, run. Don't give the vet his fun. The second most common parasite that you see on dogs is dermodactic mange. It often affects young dogs less than 6 months old, and signs include patches of hairless, scaly skin around the face, legs, and trunk. Patches often grow in size and will not go away. Itch is not common. It can also affect older dogs that are immunocompromised. You can't see the parasite with your naked eyes as they live in the hair follicles. You will need to pay a visit to your local vet where they will do a skin scrape and examine the sample underneath a microscope. This is how they look like. They are still wriggling with their tiny little legs. Treating mange takes time and can go on for months. You will need to visit your vet often to get the skin scraped regularly. And finally, we have icky yucky ticks. In certain parts of Australia, ticks can be very dangerous. There are several types of ticks, and the common ones are bush ticks, brown dog ticks, and paralysis ticks. They can look similar to the untrained eye, so when in doubt, go and visit your local vet. Common places where ticks like to lodge on are around the face and neck, in or behind the ears, around the bum and toes. Paralysis tick can be fatal, so watch for any changes in barking or starting to develop a weird cough and ascending paralysis that makes your dog walk as if he is drunk. If you live in wooded areas, let your dogs run in bushy lands or parts of the world where ticks are commonly found, remember to check them thoroughly by running your hands all over your pet daily. Remove any ticks by carefully using tweezers to firmly grip the tick as close to the skin as possible without leaving its head still embedded. When in doubt, visit a local vet. Prevention is better than cure, so use a tick collar or a spot-on topical solution to prevent infestation. Thank you for watching Newfoundland. If you like more videos on animal health, do subscribe.